Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has classified VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen natural fluctuations, with an increase of 1.81%. This equates to an average return of 0.12% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a narrow and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further increases within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 9.41% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 6.21% and 11.11%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of about 30.48% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 23.22% and 32.35%. In practical terms, this corresponds to a price range of approximately $654.64 to $703.12 after a year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for VOO as ETF Downgraded to Hold, Accumulate. The VOO ETF price declined by 0.92% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, dropping from $536.18 to $531.27. This marks a consecutive decline over 3 days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.26%, with a low of $528.02 and a high of $534.68. The price has been experiencing volatility over this period, resulting in a gain of 0.15% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the upcoming days. In total, 5 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.72 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $538.76, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price stands 1.39%, or $7.49, below the 52-week high of $538.76, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VOO, indicate increasing volatility and cautious sentiment in the market. Analyst Jim Cramer has noted that following a 6-week run-up in the S&P 500, typical patterns suggest a potential pullback, signaling caution for investors. Additionally, Goldman Sachs strategists predict that the high returns observed in U.S. equities over the past decade may not be sustainable, forecasting a significant drop in expected annual returns to approximately 3%. This shift could lead to a reevaluation of growth expectations for ETFs like VOO, which tracks the S&P 500. The market's bearish divergence with junk bonds is also raising concerns. If investors become hesitant regarding riskier assets, a decline in bullish sentiment could further exert pressure on VOO's price, especially as rising treasury yields continue to impact stock valuations. Moreover, socioeconomic factors, including geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and uncertainties surrounding the U.S. election, intensify market jitters, with the MOVE and VIX indices signaling heightened volatility on the horizon. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF is currently indicating a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average, which suggests a general buy signal in the ETF. This creates a positive outlook for the stock. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $534.95. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $523.52. A breakout above of the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, October 18, 2024, and thus far, it has decreased by 1.13%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 47 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 32 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 55 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 229 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $522.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF moved $6.66 between its high and low, which is an increase of 1.26%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.771%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $532.71. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a worthwhile consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $522.74. If this support level remains intact, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $514.45, reflecting a decrease of 3.17%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO presents several positive indicators. However, we still do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting either holding or accumulating in this position while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis for this ETF from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, Our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of October, we anticipate that VOO will open at approximately $531.32, with an initial increase of about 5 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.